Hi, I am Ansi. Welcome to my window and balcony gardening. Here I want to show you my succulents. I have many varieties. I propagate them with the leaves. I use plastic containers. I put a thin layer of dirt and I place different types of succulent leaves on top of it and I let them rest. I usually don't put them on direct sunlight, only on a window, so they get indirect sunlight. See that? That one is started growing the succulent plant. These are new batch which I just put last week, and this one just started growing. And here you will see my succulent plants which are growing from the leaf. These are 2-3 weeks old. Oh, these are a lot of weeks old. I transplanted them to little pots. They are in the window. If you like watching my videos, you can follow my channel. Happy gardening. Bye bye.